Hi, my name is Faith Johnson, Managing Director of Caramel Rock. Why I started Caramel Rock. And really the reason why was because of my own kind of journey and story. Back in 2008, I felt like there were so many things for young males that were kind of had behavioural issues, or young boys that may have come from kind of hard to reach backgrounds, and those opportunities ranged from sports, music. I come from a really kind of difficult background in relation to kind of really being involved in kind of the street crime and gang culture. I was in an abusive relationship, so I really just wanted to start a positive project to engage with young females that were on the road, involved in kind of the street culture, and on the road doing all sorts of activities which involve criminal activities. As a young female, I've always been interested in fashion. I know everything about fashion from making, design and style, and so I just wanted to create a project for young females like that may be interested in fashion and getting them engaged in a positive activity. And so that is really the heart of why I started Caramel Rock, to really support and using fashion as a tool to connect the disconnected. But from there, the organisation has grown, working with people that may not come from that background, but just passionate about fashion, wants to learn how to set up their own kind of clothing brand and get their hands in with cutting and sewing and doing a qualification and doing an accredited course. And so our reach is much more wider. But as an organisation, we still stay true to the heart of what we do, and that's why we're a charity. So we receive referrals from the young offending team, from the probation office. We are looking at doing some projects within the prison reform system and using fashion and the creative industries to connect the disconnected. And that is why I set up Caramel Rock.